Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all of social media. And today I wanted to just share with y'all. Usually on Wednesdays I try to post a vlog video, but today I wasn't feeling the greatest, like physically. It's just, gosh, I've shared it so many times. I have rheumatoid arthritis. I hate to complain about it. I hate to like say that that's what's going on. I wish that I was a healthy person, but I'm not. That's the reality of it. And I wasn't feeling well today. I haven't been feeling well all week, and it's mainly because it's raining and all muggy outside, and that hurts my joints. I also went a month without my medicine because of insurance changes, and I just got my first dose last week on Wednesday after like not having it for like over a month. So I'm still trying to like, I guess, get a hold of things. So I didn't record a vlog just because I wasn't feeling well. So what I did want to do is record a little, you can say kind of like a plan with me. It's going to be like how I plan in my daily planner, because I shared this for Sunday. This is where we're at so far. I haven't done anything at all other than just like get through work because I haven't been feeling well. So work is like my main priority. So to me, if I get through work, that's a win. Even Matthew has been taking care of dinner. We've just been doing kind of like the minimal. I've been literally just hanging out in my room, reading and hanging out, really. I mean, not much to it. But today I wanted to instead share a plan with me, like a weekly plan with me. I want to share a daily plan with me. So this is kind of, I figured out what I like the most. I was trying to do kind of like a daily thing, just writing it, but it was too much. It was getting already like too overwhelming, as you can tell how I started doing things here on these 4 days. So I found this method being the best for my life and my days, where I'm not double planning because I already have this on my weekly section, so I don't need to overdo it and write my schedule all over again. Like, it's not necessary for me. So I just like doing this where I write down the prompt that the Coffee Monster code that Helen shares on her website. So I write down the prompt and I write just a quick little something about it, nothing major. And then I write just like quick little tasks, nothing crazy. Literally right now, because I haven't been feeling well, they've just been really to the point, really simple, nothing to it. So as you can tell, even yesterday I didn't write anything at all. I divide it out into 2 sections. So I do the prompt on the top half of it, and on the bottom half I write just a quick little something of the day. And yesterday I didn't write anything. I just put a little sticker showing that I was reading all day. I finished Onyx Storm, and obviously I was hooked on that book. I finished it this morning, but still. So we're going to do kind of the same. I just wanted to show you all and walk y'all through my process. So what I always do is I grab a washi. I don't know, washi makes me happy. So in my little bag that I carry all the time with me, I have like a ton of like washi samples, although right now I'm on my desk, but I have all of these washi samples and I want to use one of them, obviously. So today I was thinking about using either like something like this maybe, or I also have, I think, one that has like books and stuff. So that may be fun. Let's take a look. My arms hurt so bad. Like, it hurts to move, but you know, it's fine. Like, it's what I have to deal with. Oh, here's the books one. I think I'm going to use that one because it's cute and because I finished the book today. So I think I'm going to grab this one. And I just like laying it at the bottom, like nothing crazy. Very like simple and to the point. It's just to add a little bit of color and just something like excitement. So I like to use just one of the little washi cards to cut it. And I think I'm gonna grab a second washi. Let's see here. So I don't have any more of these, but I'm thinking I'm gonna use them. And should I? Yeah, I think I am. So I usually do this little swirly line all the way to the bottom, and I think instead of doing that, I'm gonna grab these like emoji heads and put the washi right here. I just think that would be fun. Do want to make sure it's like as even as possible. I don't really care if it's crooked too much, but still, like I want to at least a little bit. Oh, there's like the tiniest piece left. It's just like one emoji head. So I'm going to put that in the back of my planner. In the back of it right here, I've just been keeping like finished washi. Like I don't really have an order to it. It's just like if I have a little strip left, I put it back there, and it's just been fun. So I like that. That's nice. And I don't think I have anything else that I want to add, but I'm still gonna just look at my washi. Whoa, that was weird. I thought I had a green washi. I guess I don't. Oh, I do, but it's not the same green. I guess I'm not gonna use that. It just doesn't go, so I don't wanna overdo it. I think this is nice. Although I do like this one. I feel like the colors would go well with it. So I think I'm gonna add this washi to it. I usually don't. I usually just do one, but I think this would look nice. So let me just put it down here. I don't really care if it covers the quotes. It's just personal preference, like if you want to keep the quotes there or not, but I don't. So I think that's good enough. And let me put this away. Oh, it was all the way back there. I didn't notice that. Eek. Okay, sorry. Okay, so there's that. And I think that looks really, really pretty. It looks adorable. So, I guess let me grab a highlighter. So I'm actually thinking about using, so this has like green and like a red kind of. So I have this red right here. Let me grab a piece of paper like this. Is this too much? I feel like it's not the red that I'm like looking for. So I may end up using a green. So I have this one too. Oh, that actually looks kind of nice. I think I'm going to use this one. So whatever. I always try to tell myself that if for whatever reason I don't like how that day turns out or how that week turns out, like I only have to look at it for that long. So like eventually I'm just going to turn the page and I won't have to see it again until I flip back through to it, and that's if I choose to. So like I try not to overthink it. So up here I like to write the word prompt. And I also, with this side, I like to write today, work, and then life. Good enough. I feel like it kind of doesn't go, but you know what? I'm just going to try to remember what I told you all and not try to like overthink it. So I also like to do this right here. I'm not really good at it. I see a lot of people do these like fancy little cute things and make it look all fun and fancy, and that's just not my vibe. I don't have great handwriting, so I just do this and like connect them, since I'm not really good at like cursive. So that's good enough for me. And then today, so it's already the end of the day. Right now, like I'm already done with work. I just finished work. So you can say I didn't really plan technically, although you can say I did. Like I did this, but I didn't do like daily planning, which is why I thought I would just share it with you all. So today I do copy a lot of what I do every single day. So I did read. I worked, so work. I think I'm going to put like my schedule, so 9 to 5:30. So not my schedule, but like my hours. I did drink my little coffee. And that's all I'm going to write. I'm not going to write eat 3 meals. Yesterday I felt really, really crappy. Like I didn't feel well at all. It was hard to get out of bed. So I made a point to write eat 3 meals. Because when I don't feel well, I tend to like skip my meals. And that's just not really good for me. So for work, I need to check my emails, obviously every single day. So I'm just going to write emails, appointments, and outbound calls. And I also have a meeting. Had a meeting because it already passed. So I'm obviously going to write, finish Onyx Storm because I finished it today. Storm. And I'm going to order food in. Order dinner, and I'm also going to write down record video, which I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to write relax and a little happy face. Okay, and then I just like to do like little squares with my eyeliner, nothing fancy. So we're just going to do that all the way down. So coffee. And relax. Okay, perfect. One of the things that I did do, it was like I was outlining the little squares, but I stopped doing that and I kind of don't mind. Like, I think it looks fine. Maybe I'll start doing it again next week. We'll see. Since it's already like the end of the day, technically, I'm going to check off read because I already read. I already have another book that I'm going to start, but for now, we'll write read. I did finish work, drank my coffee, checked my emails, did my appointments, did my outbound calls, completed my meeting. I did finish Onyx Storm. I haven't ordered dinner. I'm currently recording the video, but I'm going to mark that off and then relax. And then the other thing, I like dividing this in half. So maybe, should I just use the same washi or maybe I can use like stickers? Let's see. Let's see what we can find here. Maybe we will use like some stickers. Maybe like these little coffee cups because I haven't used these. They're like fall themed, but I haven't used them. Every single time fall comes around, I forget to use them. So I think it would be nice to use them here. And it kind of fits like the colors. I think one more fits. Yeah, one more. Cute. I think that looks adorable. Love that. Okay. So the prompt, I have this printed right here. The prompt is for January the 29th is who is a publicly unknown hero that you know or have witnessed in action. What? Okay, so I like writing it. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip through this so you don't have to watch me write or the camera shake or whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to write this down and you can just see it once I'm done. Okay, so I did write down the prompt. It is, who is a publicly unknown hero that you know or have witnessed in action? I honestly don't even know how to answer this. So I think I'm just going to write down, like someone that I think is a hero or is a hero to me. And to that, I think it's my dad. I think he does a lot for his family. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get emotional. He does a lot for his family. He is always like willing to put others first, is always willing to help anybody whenever it comes to like need, or even if they're not like in a huge need, like he always puts himself last, and I just find that very admirable and I love him for it. So I think I'm gonna write that down, and yeah, I think that's good enough for me, honestly, because I don't know how else to answer this other than like who is a hero to me. So I think that's gonna be good enough for me.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight.
So it did smear a little bit, but I did write down exactly what I basically told you all. And down here, I just like writing a little bit of my day. So I think I'm just going to write down that today was, like, as far as work goes, it was good. Had a meeting. The meeting went well. And I was pretty productive, although I didn't feel well. So I think that's going to be what I'm going to write. So I think this is pretty simple. So anyways, let me go ahead and write that, and then I will talk to you on the phone.
How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no.
Okay, so that is basically how I plan my daily section in my planner. It's really simple. I like that it's simple because then I don't really have many excuses to give myself. So that's basically what I've been doing, and I feel like I was a person that struggled a lot with using a Hobonichi cousin because of this section, because of the daily section. I felt like I had to repeat myself over and over again as far as like what I wrote in my weekly section. I felt like I also was writing it in my daily section, and then I felt like I wasn't using my daily section, and then I felt like I was like wasting a planner. It was like a whole debate between it, which is what in the past have kind of stopped me from using a Hobonichi. But I feel like I'm doing pretty good, and even with the daily writing, I feel like it's helping me just be a little bit more present with what's going on, and even the prompts have helped me kind of just write about something that isn't just myself, and even if it is, like, it helps me dig a little deeper. So I'm pretty excited about continuing that on in February. So I have the prompts here, and I'm gonna probably do the same thing for February. As soon as Helen posts those on her website, I'm gonna print those out and add them to my planner. So we have 2 more days left in January, and then we start February, so that is exciting. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I know this was a short one, but I hope to be feeling better, and hoping that maybe our next chat together, which will probably be on Friday, hopefully. I always leave this as like a free video, like I can do whatever I want, maybe even like a sit and chat. So if I'm feeling better, maybe I'll record a vlog for Friday. But either way, I will talk to y'all. Even if it's in a planner video, I'll talk to y'all on Friday. So hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all on Friday. Bye.